What is going on, guys? Happy Sunday. Yup, tomorrow's Monday. Kind of sucks. Yeah. Got some company down here at Jason's RCs. Got my dad here as usual. And then, special guest, we have Jim.
What's going on, people? How y'all doing?
Yes.
He has one killer track. You've got to see this thing.
Yep.
I love it.
So, been kind of conversing back and forth over YouTube and chats and stuff. Got it arranged for him to make it up this way, and so yeah, we took a trip out to Reaction RC and Hobbies today, just north of Grand Rapids here. Definitely worth checking out. That place is amazing. Jeff over there, he hooked me up. He's a pretty good guy over there. So yeah, I did some purchasing of some stuff over there.
Yeah.
So anyway, I will tune you into the video we shot over there, and yeah, we'll see you in a bit. What is going on, guys? We are here at Reaction RC Hobbies, north of Grand Rapids. Awesome freaking place.
What's up?
Here's my dad here.
What's going on?
Got Jim in the background. Yeah, was watching scx10, and he came here a couple weeks ago or a week ago or so, and yeah, I didn't even know this place existed, and I tell you what, I am blown away. Definitely dropped a little bit of change here today, so yeah, we'll get some stuff going, and we'll be right back. Look at.
Oh yeah, we got Junior out here.
It's a mini me. Hand of God.
purple egg. Might be able to save it.
I'm actually gonna keep this one over here.
Definitely make a lot more noise when they roll over.
Off the edge of the earth. That right there's a channel. Yeah. Track is a challenge. Fall in there, you never return. They do make a lot of noise, don't they? Come on, Jim. Uh-oh, hold on. We gotta go back over here to Jim. Over here. I don't know what he's doing over here. He's doing something over here. Oh yeah, there you go.
Got the rear steer going.
There you go. Let's get that. Oh man.
Come over like that.
Gotta go to the bathroom. He's got to download.
Finish my paperwork.
That's got to be hard, man. Whoa, I like this bridge. Teeter totter, I'm sorry.
First time I've ever done a teeter totter.
Oh, you wait till we get.
Made one yet.
Oh man, we're gonna hook you up, dude.
That was fun.
We're gonna hook you up.
You wanna try that rear steer?
No, I'm busy doing the camera guy
I
here.
hold it like this, and then like that. And I can steer the rear with this as I steer like
Oh, that's gonna be hard to do. You gotta
Yeah,
coordinate it.
This is the first time I've ever run it.
Oh, the only way I can
I
get
haven't
my
even
fingers,
run this yet.
the only way I can get my fingers to work is if I'm smoking a doobie. Oh no, I'm sorry.
You see that? I didn't hear that.
I didn't hear nothing.
I know nothing. Nothing. My name is Schultz.
Alright, back over here to Junior, see how he's doing. Oh yeah, he's doing alright. I tried that one too. All I did was flip it. Here you go, Daddy. I'll let you take over the camera.
It's all good. Means it's being used correctly.
There we go.
Sweet. I don't know how I started saying that all the time, but on my channel I always say, "Oh, this is pretty stinking sweet, pretty stinking sweet." And finally, somebody's like, "Dude, you need to make a T-shirt with that saying on it." And I'm like, "Right on." definitely cannot build an indoor 1 to 10 scale in my basement. Yeah. Just the noise. Just the noise alone of him tumbling all over the place will wake the kids.
That's a good idea, putting them gates on there like that.
Yeah, that is sweet. For, yeah, even the one in the basement. Some kind of spring loaded, yeah. Yeah. I actually, you know, I think Little Tyke makes them, the big Legos. My boy just got like a construction set, and they got construction cones. I stick my wooden post in the top of it, and they set all over the place.
Guardrails for the back.
All right, guys. So, wrap things up here. Hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Definitely dropped some coin over there today. Dad's like early Father's Day present.
Bring it out. Can I bring it out?
So yeah, gotta check it out. Pretty sweet. Took turns driving it out there. Jim had a go with it, and now we have 3 in house today.
Yeah, look at
Check it out. Boom, there they are.
Yeah, baby. Pretty stinking sweet.
Yes, pretty stinking sweet indeed. Again,
Pretty stinking
Jeff
sweet.
over there, he hit it out of the bar park with his little hobby shop thing he's got going on. Reaction RCs and Hobbies. Freaking sweet place. Check him out too. Facebook, I think he's got a Facebook page. But yeah, again, guys, really appreciate you guys tuning in. Hit the subscribe button. Punch that bell dead in the face so you get notified when I post. And we'll see you guys on Monday. Take it easy, guys.